Welcome to this evening free flow, a blend of meridian tapping plus Qigong to help you unwind and let go of the day. So find a quiet place to practice. Let's get our minds calm, our bodies relaxed, and let's get our energy flowing. Let's begin by tapping on our chest and repeating after me. I choose to take this time to let go of the weight of today. Inner eye, allowing its weight to release from me. Outer eye, leaving behind only feelings of calmness and peace. Under eye, knowing that the day is over. Upper lip, and all heavy energy and thoughts attached to today. Chin can free themselves from me. Collarbone, I choose to feel fully relaxed. Side of the body, calm and present in my body. Top of the head, so I can sleep deeply and recharge my battery. Tapping the wrists together, taking a deep breath in through the nose. And exhale through the mouth, letting go. Another time, deep breath in through the nose. And exhale through the mouth as you let go. Give yourself a little shake. Palms facing out, pushing towards the back. Neck rotations in one direction, making sure you're not pinching behind your neck. And rotating directions. Rotating wrists, palm facing in, pushing back to open the chest, and nodding up and down. And now looking side to side. Keeping those hands pushed back so you're getting that opening throughout the chest, along the arms, through the neck. Freeing any tightness or tension we were holding in our bodies from today. Working through our body, we're going to start with the wrists. Going in one direction, allowing your wrist to flop open so you're getting that movement back and forth. And then coming in. So again, making sure you're getting that full movement within your wrist. And moving to the elbows, having our arms come in, flexing the wrists up as they come in, and flopping out as you come out. And coming in, now your wrists bend in as you come in, and open as you come out. Opening every joint, every muscle within the body. And now on your shoulders, rolling back, opening up the chest. And then going forward. Opening up through the upper back, the back of the neck, And then working through our waist, so keeping your hips nice and still, rotating in one direction. And opposite direction. Keeping those legs really planted and rooted into the ground. And now onto our hips, making those big rotations, opening up the center of the body, that lower back, a place where we hold a lot of tension from the day, rotating directions. And going down to our knees, go ahead and put your knees together. Here you go, knees together, and rotate in one direction and the opposite direction. And then last but not least, we're going to work on our feet and legs. So as you come forward, you're going to flex your foot. As you come back, pointing. If you need to hold on to something, feel free to. This is also great for working on your balance. So flexing and pointing, working the fascia lines throughout our entire legs, from our toes all the way up. Really unwinding, bringing out our entire body. Give yourself a little shake. Bringing your hands down, scooping as you pull up. Opening the hands up, giving a little flick of the wrist. And pulling back down, bending at the knees. Scooping, coming up. Flick of the wrist, and coming back down. So inhale as you scoop. Exhale, give a flick. And come back down. You can visualize gathering water, washing yourself clean from the day, almost like an energetic shower, cleansing yourself, the heaviness of the day, letting it free so that you can unwind and relax. Coming back to center, scooping up, inhale. Exhale as you sink. And just gathering around you, inhale up. Exhale, sinking, bending in the knees. Inhale up. Now that you're clear, that energy from the day, gathering energy around you, calm, present energy, and pulling it through your body. Placing your hands over your lower dantian, grounding yourself into the earth, feet strong and sturdy, spine nice and tall, crown of the head up towards the heavens. Taking a deep breath in as you settle back into your body. One more time, deep breath in, sealing your energy in with a small rotation on your belly. And exhale, letting go of anything else that's remaining from the day. I hope you feel lighter, freer, more open. Let me know in the comments how you feel. I always love hearing from you guys. See ya. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out my gallery of workshops, all included in the Mindfully Me membership. Working through money blocks, finding forgiveness, recharging ourselves, and stepping out of your comfort zone. Not into memberships? No worry. Feel free to browse all the workshops and purchase individually. Hope you enjoy.